Here's the device itself. And in the bottom here we have some installation screws, install base. The battery-powered alarm provides up to 10 years of built-in continuous power for the battery and the sensors, helping to save on energy while remaining eco-friendly. When it reaches the end of its battery power, an end-of-life signal will let you know when it's time to replace the unit, so there's no need to constantly having to change the batteries. The LCD screen helps to show real-time carbon monoxide concentration in the surrounding air, as well as the remaining battery life and working status of the alarm. For example, if a CO concentration of 30 to 999 ppm exists for a long period of time, the screen will be backlit blue and the LED indicator will flash red 4 times every 5.8 seconds. It's equipped with both a photoelectric smoke sensor and an electrochemical CO sensor that work independently of each other and help to detect both fast and slow burning fires, and can instantly notify you when dangerous smoke or CO concentration is detected while minimizing false alarms, providing you with double the protection, all contained in one unit. The alarm is super quick and easy to install, as it does not require any hard wiring and is battery operated. To turn it on, you just slide the button on the back to the on position. Then you can simply mount it anywhere with the included mounting brackets, screws, and anchor plugs. So to first install the base, take the screws and put them into each hole here before you place them into the wall or the ceiling. And it also has wall anchors as well. And then you simply just screw on the detector like so, and you're ready to go. The test button enables you to test the alarm weekly or whenever you'd like, and to easily silence the alarm when false alerts occur. Malfunctions and low battery power warnings allow you to easily know the working status of the alarm. And in case of an emergency, an alarm tone of over 85 decibels will sound throughout the entire home, instantly alerting the entire household, even those who are fast asleep. It's certified to meet both UL safety standards and comes with an included warranty as well for your peace of mind. So yeah, I definitely recommend the Xsense CO2 alarm.